Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about phosphorus. So let's begin now. This is me, Dr. Anuradha Pathak. Now, in which form phosphorus is absorbed from the soil? It's absorbed in the form of phosphate ions, H2PO4 minus, HPO4 2 minus. Where it's required? It's required for the synthesis of nucleic acids and nucleotides. You know that nucleic acids are chains of nucleotides and nucleotides are made up of phosphate group, sugar and nitrogenous base. A sugar can be ribose or deoxyribose. Deoxyribose in DNA, ribose in RNA. Leave that. We know that phosphorus is here in the phosphate group. So you don't need a mnemonic here, right? Now, phospholipids. Cell membrane of all living organisms is made up of phospholipids and phospho has phosphorus. NADP, nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. It also has P for phosphorus. Now, ATP, yeah, P is for phosphorus, adenosine triphosphate, yeah, and some proteins also have phosphorus. Okay, so here you don't need mnemonic anywhere, yeah, you know, NADP is a coenzyme, yeah. Okay, now, it's required for phosphorylation reactions. Phospho means, you know, yeah, so in phosphorylation reactions, we have to add phosphorus. Phospho is phosphorus, right? So we have to add phosphorus to an organic compound via these phosphorylation reactions. It's required for the growth of roots, development of seeds and fruits. So to increase the crop yield, see, fruits and seeds are there, so crop yield increases. So you can remember Prucifru. P is for phosphorus, Ru is for roots, C is for seeds and Fru is for fruits, right? Prucifru. Now, what are the deficiency symptoms of phosphorus? Premature leaf fall. The leaves fall even before completing their life, right? So, premature, right? You know premature babies which are born earlier than normal, yeah? So, just like that. Leaves fall from the plant. Necrosis means death. The leaves die. Anthocyanin formation. Anthocyanin is a pigment, yeah, so it's a like dark purple like pigment, right? So that deposits in the leaves, right? Second thing is poor growth of roots. I told you in the previous slide that it's required for the growth of roots. So due to its deficiency, there will be poor growth of roots. Delayed flowering, right? The flowering will be delayed, and xylem and phloem, they will be also poorly developed, right? And the leaves will be sickle shaped, sickle leaf disease. Now, I have a mnemonic for this. If we take phospho as fossil, right? Phospho as fossil, right? Now, ant fall on leaf, the ant for anthocyanin. Fall means premature fall of leaf, right? So, some ant fell on leaf and died. So, it became a fossil, right? So, how fossil formed? Ant fall on leaf and died. Died means necrosis. So, leaf fall, right? Dies means necrosis occurs and anthocyanin formation occurs in leaves. So, in the leaf, death occurs, that is necrosis. Leaves fall, premature, right? And anthocyanin formation. So, ant fall on leaf and died. Because of sickle-like leaf. Why on the leaf the ant died? Because the leaf was sickle shaped. You know, the sickle is to cut the crops, etc. It's an instrument like this, you know, used by farmers to cut the crop. So, you can make a story that there was a leaf which was sickle shaped, and as the ant fell on it, it got cut and died. So, ant fall on leaf and died. And anthocyanin fall, premature leaf fall, okay, and died means due to necrosis, yeah, necrosis in the leaves. Due to sickle cell leaf, leaf here. Sad plant. Now the plant became sad and it cannot eat and drink or reproduce. So because the ant died on the sickle leaf of a plant, so if someone, you know, kills someone, then the killer also becomes, yeah, sad if it's not an intentional death, yeah, it's not an intentional murder or something, yeah. So see, the sad plant cannot eat or drink or reproduce. So the plant cannot eat or drink means eating is through, yeah, actually through the phloem the food is transported in the plant. Drink means It's not drinking alcohol, it's drinking water. So through the xylem, water is transported to different cells of the plant. Yeah, so you can, or reproduce, means here flowering, delayed flowering. So see, ant fall on leaf and died. Anthocyanin, premature leaf fall, death, necrosis due to sickle cell leaf. Why the ant died? Because the leaf was sickle shaped, right? Now, the plant became sad and it cannot eat, drink or reproduce. Eat means poor development of phloem, drink, poor development of xylem, reproduce, delayed flowering, right? Okay, and it's you can remember this also, poor growth of roots, because that's why it cannot drink, right? So it has to drink water through the roots. Yeah, so poor growth of roots here and poor development of xylem, both will be related to drinking. Yeah, and even you can see this diagram, this dark red purple pigment like thing. Yeah, this is in the leaves. So anthocyanin, yes, anthocyanin. You can see this pigment here, anthocyanin. Normal color is green, but here, you know, this is maize. This is maize plant, right? Okay, and you can see the shape of leaves. Yeah, okay. Here, this is pepper leaf. It has got the sickle shaped leaf now. Yeah, okay. Thanks for coming. Have a good day and learn the mnemonics. Love you all.